People judge a book by its cover. Alex Hormozy himself says this. Hey guys, welcome to the new video. I am Manoj Bashal and today I'm gonna talk about how to apply 100 million offers framework by Alex Hormozy in e-commerce. In his books, Alex Hormozy has mentioned 4 value drivers, and they are dream outcome, likelihood of achievement, effort and sacrifice, and time. Dream outcome means how you wanna achieve after your effort, and will it be financially worth it or not? Will you be able to achieve your goals? Will you be able to stick with it? External factors will come your way, so will you be able to tackle those factors? And another is effort and sacrifice. It will be too hard, confusing. Will you like it? Will you be able to do it? Will you be able to put into effort? Will you be able to sacrifice things to achieve your goals? These are the things mentioned in this. And another is time. Here, it will take a lot of time to achieve your goals, and will you be able to stick to that, or will you be patient enough to achieve your goals? It should be considered in time. These 4 things are the value drivers for any business. In this book, there is a section called enhancing an offer, and it consists of 5 things. They're scarcity, urgency, bonuses, guarantees, and naming. Number 1, scarcity. Creating a scarcity in e-commerce can be an effective strategy to increase sales, and here are some ways that you can do that. Limited time offers. Basically, you can offer discounts, promotions, special deals for a limited period of time. Clearly communicate the deadline of the offers and emphasize the time-sensitive nature of your offer. Another way of creating a scarcity is by mentioning limited stock available. Highlight limited quantity is available, and this will create a fear of missing out among the customers and inspire your audience to make the purchasing decision faster. Another way to create a scarcity is by taking pre-orders. If you have a great product, allow your customers to join the wish list or to pre-order your product. This creates a sense of scarcity among the customers, and they want to secure a spot for them as well. Another way to create a scarcity is by highlighting the limited edition products, or you can say exclusive product. Basically, you can introduce some high quality product for a limited period of time, and it will also create a sense of scarcity among the customers, and they want to purchase the product before it is sold out. Another way to create scarcity among the customers would be by providing the personalized offer. Basically, you can segment the audience based on their demographics, interests, their purchasing history and behaviors. Maybe you can send the retargeting emails, SMS to the customers, or even retargeting ads by creating a personalized offers to them. And also you can showcase some social proof thing, maybe the testimonial videos, other customers using the product, or basically show the use case of the product to your warm audience. By the way, remember to use scarcity ethically, do not make any fake scenario, otherwise your audience will cut you off. It should be genuine representation of the limited availability. Transparency and honesty are super important for any business to build the trust among your customers. Number 2, urgency. Creating a sense of urgency is also a great way to bring in sales and conversions for your e-com business faster. Now, I'm gonna talk about some effective strategies that you can use to create an urgency for your e-commerce brand. You can use countdown timers on your headline of the website by flashing the countdown timer. This timer will visually display the remaining time of the offers or the special deals that you're giving to the customers, and it will inspire the audience faster to purchase the product. You can also send limited stock notifications to your audience. Okay, for example, 10 items left, 20 items left. Basically, send some push notifications to your customers as well. This is also one of the greatest way to create a sense of urgency. Okay, if you do SMS to your customers regarding the product is being sold out, the open rate of SMS marketing is really high. Many people would open the SMS, and if they were looking to your products to buy, then they will definitely buy it because you're showcasing it is being sold out. It's a great way to drive immediate sales as well. Another way to build urgency among your customers is exclusive deals for early birds. Provide exclusive discounts to the customers who make an early purchase of the product within a specific period of time. This incentivizes audience to act quickly to take advantage of the special offer. Another would be provide limited time free shipping. For example, we're providing free shipping for the next 24 hours. Okay, this will also create a sense of urgency among the customers to make the decision faster, so make sure to leverage that in your marketing strategy as well. Again, create a genuine urgency among your customers. This will also lead to build some trust and connections with your customers as well. This will enhance the customer experience in your e-commerce brand. Number 3, guarantee. In e-commerce, you can offer guarantee for various aspects to provide reassurance to your customers. Now, I'm gonna talk about how you can guarantee, or what can be guaranteed from your e-com store. You can guarantee quality of the product. This product consists of these materials. We can guarantee the quality. For example, if you have a clothing brand, you can guarantee something like this. This product won't get wrinkled, or the color will stay same even after it is washed. You can provide money back guarantee or return policy as well. If the product has some defect, if your customers get any size issues or something, you can provide exchange facilities to your customers. Maybe you can also guarantee that your product will meet the customer's expectations. Okay, this will also increase the sales, but do it at your own risk. like you gotta have a really great quality product for this. If you're selling electronic devices or like appliance tools and stuff like that, you can do performance guarantee as well. Okay, it will perform all the functionalities like that is promised in the product page or description of the product. You can guarantee that as well. Another way to create a guarantee offer is maybe you can delivery guarantee. This product will be delivered within this period of time, otherwise you don't have to pay or something like that. Like I see a lot of ecom brand doing this, and like they're making a lot of good sales, and like there is risk involved of course, but there's high potential of making more sales. It's up to you. If you're confident, do it, otherwise I won't recommend it. Always make sure your guarantees are relevant and customer would benefit from that as well. And you can always customize the guarantee offers to your customers, like based on the needs and requirements of your customers as well. You can just play around, find the new ways, you know, like to provide some guarantees offers to create scarcity, urgency and stuff like that. This will help a lot. Number 4, bonuses. When it comes to offering bonuses as an e-commerce brand, you can provide incentives that would enhance the overall customer experience and create some additional values to their purchasing journey. How you can provide bonuses and stuff is like maybe you can offer free shipping to your audience, or maybe you can provide free gifts. You can also like create a combo offers. If someone purchases this product, okay, you'll get this product for free or something like that. You can create bonuses around that, but always make sure it is relevant. Another would be loyalty program. Okay, for example, basically when customer purchases something from your store, and like they will get some points, and then after getting the points like up to certain threshold, okay, they will get to redeem that points and maybe get some discount and maybe use that points like to purchase something. Basically this will incentivize your customers to make a repeated purchase. This will also help to build long-term relationship with your customers. For example, if you have a fashion brand, you can also provide personalized styling services or something like that. Maybe provide some free consultations based on their personality, based on their physical appearance. Basically, as a fashion brand, you can also create a checklist or small ebook providing the fashion advice to your customers. Another way to give bonuses is like maybe you can come up with some referral programs. Okay, if your customers refer their friends or something like that, and their friends purchase the product from your store, maybe you can provide certain percent off, or you can provide certain percentage commission to the customers who provide the referrals. This will help to increase your customer base through word of mouth advertising as well. Always remember to align your bonus offerings with your brand. Make sure your customers find your bonuses valuable. Number 5, naming. Basically, if you're providing some offers as an ecom brand, it is super important to come up with appropriate names that align with the offers, that is catchy or that audience would like to hear from you. When it comes to offers, hooks or something like that, like people judge a book by its cover. Alex Hormozy himself says this as well. So you gotta come up with really interesting offers. For example, if you're launching a new product or new collections, basically you can mention this. Okay, for this collection or for this drop, we are offering 10% off for the first 10 customers. It is kind of a catchy and it has a sense of urgency as well. This offer would work really great for a clothing brand, but you gotta test. Don't make any decisions based on assumptions. Always test things and make the data-driven decisions. Don't trust other people, just trust the data and make data-driven decisions. You will succeed as an ecom brand owner. So this is how you can apply 100 million offers framework by Alex Hormozy for your e-commerce store. Please let me know when you apply this framework for your e-commerce business. I'd love to hear the results. And this was for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm coming up with really interesting content and we're trying our best to be consistent, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all the things, like, share, comment, and especially subscribe if you haven't. Bye.